Hello world, Connor McCarty here, CPC, and today we have an unboxing and overview of the Razer Blackwidow Ultimate 2013 edition. Stick around and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back with the unboxing. We have our unboxing knife, and if we get into this, add in. There we go. And we're in. Alright, so it's just a little latch up here. Pull that up. Hopefully once we pull that up. There we go. And then pull that out. The Razer with their beautiful packaging. And then we'll pull this up. And keyboard's covered out, as you can see. Box. Okay. There it is. If I can get this out. It's the braided cable, as you see. Okay, let's have a look at this first though. Razer pouch. Okay, congratulations, I bought a Razer. Good to know. Synapse, cloud storage, anywhere you go. Okay, this is documentation pretty much. Quick start guide, it's a keyboard, you plug it in. Master guide. Okay, Razer stickers. That's going to be fun. Sweet. And then we move on. Just an empty box here. Anything else in here? Here's our cable coming out. Alright. Don't think there's anything else in there. Okay, and let's have a quick look at the keyboard now, shall we? I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, and we can take this plastic cover off now. Isn't that beautiful? See? Beautiful stuff, Razer. Now, we have a quick look at the cable, as you see. Hopefully you can see. Beautiful fiber. Braided cable. And here, one of these is for the keyboard, one for the USB pass-through. And then we have two headphone jacks, microphone and headphone. Okay, and you'll see up here, here's our media keys. Mute, volume down, volume up. Play, pause, go back, go forward. And here, M, that's for the ghosting. Brightness for the... Oh no, I think these are all controls for the backlight. I may be wrong, this could be for turn on and off ghosting, and this may be for the macros or something, but okay, we'll plug it in, we'll have a look, eh? Alright guys, here we are. As you can see, I've got the keyboard all set up, plugged in. The backlight is amazing, it's incredibly bright, every key individually backlit, as you can see. There's no, even this except over here, I took this key off so I could show you, but the light's there, so I'll show you a bit later. Yeah, blue switches. There's the green backplate on the back. I didn't talk about this before. It has a green backplate. What this does is it reflects the green light, so it gives a more illuminated light between the keys as well, and it just looks amazing. So if we count, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, actually it might be 20 because the first one, yeah, 20 backlight settings. And here I'll show you now. Blue mechanical switch, see? You push it down slightly, nothing happens. And there's the activation point. Very clicky, as you can see. But it's amazing. Here, I'll put the alt back on for you so you can see it overall. See, beautiful keyboard. Amazing construction. I'll turn the backlight back on. Just a little bit. Here we go. That's, the Razer logo, obviously. That lights up as well. Over here we have, can you see it? Yep, there you go. There's headphone, microphone, and I plugged my mouse into the USB port so I could free up the one on the front of the computer. Yeah, I guess that brings us to an end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.